How to compress a PDF. Open the Chrome browser and visit this URL. The URL is given in the description box and pinned in the comments. Paste the URL into Chrome and visit it. Now, click on Select a file. Next, open your desired file. Before opening, notice that our file size is currently 102 megabytes. This is the file we will compress and demonstrate with. Okay, once the file is opened, you will see three options: high, medium, and low. Now, depending on your needs, you can choose any option. We will select high, smaller size, standard quality, and click the Compress button. Okay, now you can see your compressed PDF is ready. As you can see, our file has been compressed. Previously, it was 102.1 megabytes, and now it is 159.44 kilobytes. To download the file, simply click the Download option. That's it, the work is done. Let's show you again after downloading how much the file size has been reduced. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our Step to Expert channel. See you in the next tutorial. Until then, stay well and stay healthy. Thank you.